Ihlangano ephikisako iqalelela ukuphikisa incwadi emhlahlandlela womthetho lawula ukuziphatha kwabongqongqotjhe. Ihlangano leyithi incwadi le iveza umehluko khona hlangana kwamazwe amabili ekuyipilo yecabinet nepilo yomphakathi.
In cabinet world, there's no shortage of housing. Everybody lives in a mansion. And not only do they have one mansion, they've got two. One here and one in Cape Town. In cabinet world, everybody drives luxury cars. One in Pretoria, one in Cape Town. In cabinet world, you don't have to worry about your safety and the safety of your family because you've got 24 hours protection by the SABC.
uStenhuisen bekakhuluma emtshagalweni ePitori wakhombela umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa bona abuyekeze ihlelo lekhabinethi. Uthi ephasini izombelele inarha yeSouth Africa ngiyo enekhabinethi ekulu. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana umengameli achugulule ikhabinethi yakhe wangezelela ama-ofisi wabongqongqotjhe. uStenhuisen uthi icabinet le ibiza ababhadali bomthelo imali engangemali kodwa izenzelwa zomphakathi ziyahlayela kanti nezinga lokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi liyakhuphuka. Hlangana nebe beyitjhagala bachinga lapha kuhlala khona bongqongqotjhe umdosi phambili wehlangano lesifundeni seGauteng uSoli Msimanga.
We should actually call this cabinet a pension society of some kind. That's what we should call it. There's no energy, there's no plan, there's no initiative, there's nothing that is exciting about what is happening here.
iDA ithi abongqongqotjhe abazokuragela phambili bahlale ebuthofotofo ngemali evela eskhwameni sikarhulumende ekubeni umphakathi udose emhlweni.